Hi, this is Steve Ostrom with Coldwell and RosevillandRockin.com, and today we are here with one of my favorite lenders, Ryan Nordby, to talk about the change in interest rate and how it affects your payment.
Absolutely. So in our given market, if we're looking at a purchase price of like $500,000, a $400,000 loan, and we take the rate from 4% up to 5%, that's going to move the average payment about $237.
Jeez, that's a big difference.
It is a big jump.
Yeah.
And I think what's important to keep in mind is we're at a place where interest rates are coming off historic lows. So it's starting to normalize. So it's one of those things where in the short term, there's definitely a little bit of pain, but historically speaking, the rates are still actually really good.
Well, when we started, and I think we started about the same time, we were at 6 or 7%. So this is really good to still not be at those rates.
That's exactly it. And I think a lot of what we're seeing right now is the Fed is supposed to move rates up by 25 basis points, and the market's already kind of anticipated that, and they've already moved the rates up, kind of anticipation of the rate hike.
Yeah. And, well, one thing I like to tell people too, with interest rates so low, you should still be in the home you want to be in for a long time.
You absolutely should.
If it jumps anymore, it's going to make it, well, it's going to affect our market pretty bad and what your buying power is too.
It absolutely could. And I think for a lot of people, when I look at rent versus own, what we're finding is a lot of times owning still makes more sense than renting.
Yeah.
So it's one of those things that's an easy conversation to have.
Yeah, definitely. And there's a lot goes with homeownership too. I think that people forget, like with homeownership, you know you're going to be there. With rentals, things can happen. I mean, we're selling a lot of rentals right now. People just dumping them, and people are having to find new places. So, but if you want to reach out to any of us and ask us any questions, feel free. Ryan, what's the best way to reach you?
916-600-6480.
And then we're rosevillandrockin.com, and my number is 916-308-2446. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve.
Bye.